Hey, we got the old BendPak shipment. This is what she looks like, 4-post. I'll have the part number in the comment section or the description. We're gonna get it broke down, but yeah, it's interesting to get it off the truck. We put the forks under there, kind of pried up on it, pulled it out. We'll see if there's any damage. Okay, got all the straps cut, boxes away. Looks pretty nice. There's some fancy plywood that's very expensive, pretty small. Okay, next we're gonna take out all these little bolts. Okay, got that top one off. That's the one that has a cylinder on it. This is what she looks like here. Looks all really good shape. Doesn't look like there's any damage that I can see yet. Okay, so here's the rams. I knew it was coming with the aluminum ones, but I'm not sure why I got these, but I'll take them, whatever. Those are steel. Aluminum ones are a lot nicer to lift. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm missing something, but we'll see. Okay, so I got them columns off of there. Just stood them all up here. I just picked them off with a crane quick. We'll get digging into it here some more. So we're down to the carriage here. Got the brackets for to dolly it around. Not sure what those are yet. We'll keep on going. And this box here looks like we got instructions. Okay, I got 4-post set, kind of where I want them for now. Right there. Got to make sure these are all on the outside of the lift. Next, on the cross member, we're going to install these shims that go in here, all 4 corners. Okay, so now I'm going to be lowering these sleeves down over the posts. Got to get them lined up best I can with the forklift. Okay, I got the 3 sleeves, 2 big ones, a medium one, and a little small one. I got to slip in these 4 corners here. Okay, that's the orientation right there. Sticker sides on this side, on this shiv is on the inside here. Hardest part's getting this lock mechanism around that. So, gotta kind of get that lock on the other side here, then lower it down some more and do the same thing on the secondary lock. Okay, we got all these set up, ready to go. We got the runway. I'm putting the non-power side over here on this side. Power side's gonna be here. Now the next one with the hydraulic cylinder is the power side. There's some shivs that we gotta take off. Sketchy over the truck. Well, the one thing I didn't do is I didn't measure. So I gotta move that way, those 2 posts. Okay, that wasn't too bad. We'll lower it down on here. Double check everything. Not too bad there. And just gotta scoot her in just a little bit. Okay, so I got this one bolted down. This is the non-power side. Now we're gonna go to the power side. And we gotta remove these shivs. Supposed to be 6 of them. I'll just take these off. Remember how they go back together. So they got some bearings in and stuff. So we'll pop the old screws off and be at it. Okay, so that's how she goes back together. And those two. There and there. Okay, so next we're going to install the rods for the locks. These right here. That looks like it's going to be fun. First one off is this one, the handle. Just like that. And that one. Okay, I'm working on this rod here for the safety locks. I finally figured out, because the directions are junk, that you got 2 jam nuts here that need to be put on first. Thank you, directions. Okay, so this is how the brackets are supposed to go, I believe. Tell you the instructions are not the best. I believe these are supposed to go there, spacers. Keep this rod from moving back and forth. I'm not taking this all apart to put these guys back in. I'm just gonna either cut them and wrap them around here or use a piece of hose. So we'll go under here. There's that connector. And the handle. Right there. Okay, so we got the top plates mounted, left, right, right, left. I actually started putting the cables in, phone was charging. They shorted me a few bolts. I'm short about 3, but got them going. Put the cables up and we'll extend that cylinder with some air. Get that rolling yet. Okay, so we got the cable strung, cylinder pushed out a little bit. Gotta do the other 2 now. And let's not forget to install the grease zerks on each shiv. One thing I just found out here today was download the newest revised manual right there. This other one is got some faults. It's about a year old. So I went on the internet and got the new one. It's a little bit more detailed. Some changes. Apply some of this thread sealant they got on there for the vent line. That turns to the reservoir. And we start to mount the motor and all this wrapping. Not gonna lie, the only thing that I think is a little cheesy on this thing is that brace that comes down for hanging the pump. It's just a little off kilter. I know they probably thought maybe it could catch there, but man, they got it built strong enough. I don't think it would. Just I might fix that. Okay, don't forget this little bracket here. I'm gonna put the flex tubing up down here. Okay, we got everything hooked up. Lines run. Put some transmission oil in there. I got her pretty full now, so we gotta run it. Sucking her down. tight. And put these on. Okay, we'll see how easy this thing is to move. Oh, it's not bad at all. That baby moves nice. Nice and easy. It's got nice big casters. Roll right over the grating. I like it. All right, well, thanks for watching. I kind of probably missed a few steps. The battery was dead, but did the best I can to document it. We'll get a car up in the air now. Okay, we got her loaded up. See if she works. Well, it's up there, and this is definitely higher than my rotary.